All causes of early death are significantly reduced when you're eating at least 5 servings of fresh fruits and vegetables, according to this meta-analysis that was published just last year. The researchers found that the most significant benefit was from eating 10 servings of fruits and vegetables every single day. They estimated that if everyone were to eat this amount, 7.8 million premature deaths would be prevented worldwide. Alright, so let's get those fruits and vegetables in, shall we? What's the best way to do that? The way that's easiest for you, of course. I am a registered dietitian, I have a master's degree in human nutrition, and adding smoothies to my daily routine has made it so much easier for me to eat some more fresh fruits and vegetables. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make my 3 favorite desserty, delicious, healthy smoothies that you can prep ahead of time and take them on the go. All you need is a blender. So let's go ahead and get started. Today you learned how to make my 3 favorite smoothies. I so hope that you were able to take the info from this video and you can take it into your own life to significantly decrease your risk of early death. This is powerful stuff. This is medicine. This is better than medicine. The only side effects you're getting from these smoothies is delicious, quick energy and vitality and sustainability. And if there's anything that I can do to help you recognize that having a confidence in your health in the future, like, let me know what you'd like to see. Hit the big red subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Hit me up on Instagram at vitamin.katie, K-A-T-I-E. There's some more resources down below. I'll definitely put some links down there. And yeah, man, there's so much beauty in this life. There's so much magic all around us. I really hope you can take a deep breath and take the time to really savor every moment, you know? This life is so precious, and I'm really, really glad that we're both right here taking the time to learn how we can become the best versions of ourselves and how we can get healthier. So really, thank you so much for watching. It really warms my heart to be able to help you on your journey however I can. Have an incredible life and day and evening and weekend and all of the above. Have an incredible life. Thank you. Mwah, mwah. Bye.
Well, deep divers, we are out here in the heart of nature, baby. Beautiful day. Let's just take a moment of silence, deep divers, for gratitude.